Tap the registration number to change aircraft. Select the desired aircraft from the list. If you change to a different aircraft of the same type, all changes you have made will be retained. If you change to a different aircraft type, weight and balance and fuel planning will be reset. The original route and all loads will be retained. Tap on the pilot name to change pilots, or tap on Second Crew to add another crew member. Select from the list of pilots. Select Yes to add the pilot to all legs, select No to add the pilot to the header only. Then select the desired crew role. The pilot will be added to the header and to all legs of the flight with the assigned role. To remove a second crew member, select the Clear option. Aircraft and engine Hobbs start are pre-filled based on the last flight uploaded. Enter Hobbs times by tapping their respective meters. Airframe total time is automatically calculated based on the aircraft hours history list in FlightSpan Ops. The option to record engine Hobbs time can be switched on or off from aircraft type EFB preferences. If there are any recorded maintenance events, a maintenance logbook icon will be visible by the aircraft Hobbs. Tap on the icon to view the maintenance status. Throughout the flight, as legs are completed, both the calculated airframe time and the balance will update. The logbook icon is color-coded. Yellow if the recorded airframe total time is within 5 hours of a maintenance event, or if the Hobbs end has not been entered and the airframe total time is projected to be within 5 hours of a maintenance event at the end of the flight, or if within 2 days of a calendar-based event. Red if the airframe total time is past a maintenance event, or if the Hobbs end has not been entered and airframe total time is projected to be past a maintenance event at the end of the flight, or if the current date is past a calendar-based event. The icon remains blue if there are no yellow or red events.